Fishes and amphibians. Fishes are vertebrates that have characteristics allowing them to live and reproduce in water. Vertebrate column in fishes. In most vertebrates, the notochord is replaced by a vertebrate column that surrounded and protects the dorsal nerve cord. The replacement of the notochord happens during embryonic development. Cartilage or bone is the building material of the most vertebrate endoskeleton. Cartilage is tough, flexible material making up the skeleton or part of a skeleton vertebrate. The difference between bones and the cartilage are flexible. A neural crest is a group of cells that develop from the nerve cord in vertebrates. Characteristics of fishes. Fishes live in most aquatic habitats on earth: seas, lakes, ponds, streams, and marshes. Some fishes live in complete darkness at the bottom of the deep oceans. Others live in freezing water. Jaws. Most fishes have jaws. The evolution of jaws shown in the figure here. Different type of jaws in fishes. Beard fins. A fin is petal-shaped structure on fish or other aquatic animal that is used for balancing. The function of fin is balance, steering, and propulsion. Here dorsal fin, here anal fin, here pelvic fin. Scales. Different type of scales like cycloid scale, ganoid scales. Most fishes have at least one of 4 different types of scales. A scale is a small flat plate-like structure near the surface in the skin of the most fishes. There are 4 types of fish scales. Here, gills used in respiration. Another adaptation and allow fishes to live in the aquatic environment is their ability to get oxygen from the water. Fishes get oxygen when water that enter their mouth flow across their gills. Some fishes have an operculum. It's a movable flap that covers the gills and protect them. Circulation in fishes. In most fishes, the heart consists of 2 main chambers that are analogous to part 4 heart, an atrium and a ventricle. The atrium is the chamber of the heart that receives blood from the body, and the ventricle is a chamber of the heart that pumps blood from the heart to the gills. Capillaries network. Gills, 1 ventricle and 1 atrium, 2 chambers. Here the swim bladder, kidney, esophagus, mouth, gallbladder, liver, stomach, cecum, intestine, pancreas. Exertion in fishes. The main function unit of the kidney is nephron. A nephron is filtering unit within the kidney that help to maintain the salt and water balance of the body. Here the nervous system of the fishes: cerebellum, medulla oblongata, optic lobe, olfactory lobe. This lateral line, its function to keep balance. Lateral line system enable fishes to detect movement in the water and also help to keep them upright and balanced. Reproduction in fishes. Male and female fishes release their gametes near each other in water in a process called spawning. Movement in fishes. Here a swim bladder is a gas-filled space like a balloon found in bony fishes that allow a fish to control its depth only in bony fishes. Classes of fishes. Number 1, jawless fishes: hangfish, lamprey, cartilaginous fish, Balasoid scale, pony fishes. A tetrapod is a four-footed animal with legs that have feet and toes that have joints. Amphibians. Most amphibians begin life as aquatic organisms that live on land as adults. They have adaptation to land, condition in water, and condition in land, tertiary vertebrate adaptation. Most amphibians have colica, is a chamber that receives the digestive waste, urinary waste, and eggs or sperm before they leave the body. Exertion in amphibians filter waste from the blood through their kidneys and exert their ammonia or urea as the waste product of solar metabolism. Ammonia is the end product of protein metabolism. Different type of respiration in amphibians. A larva, most amphibians exchange gases through their skin and gills. As adult, most breathe through gills. So, larva from gills, adult lungs, their thinmost skin and the lining of the mouth cavities. Some from their moist skin when it is in mood, like frogs, can breathe through their skin either on or out of water. The ability enable them to spend the winter protect them cold in the mud in the bottom of ponds. The brain and sense. A nictitating membrane is a transparent eglet that can move across their eye to protect it underwater and keep it from drying on land. The tympanic membrane is an eardrum. Its external membrane on the side of the head. Here, tympanic membrane to detect sound. Amphibians are ectotherm, are animals that obtain their body heat from the external environment. Ectotherm can't regulate their body temperature through their metabolism, so they must be able to sense where they can go to get warm or cool down. For example, it is cold, a tooth can find a warm, moist rocks on which to bask and warm itself. Amphibians diversity. Frogs and toads. Here's the difference between bullfrogs and American toad. Salamander, warty newt, cassidians,